let's take a look at this question. Each of the points A, B, C, D, E, F in the figure below represent a different digit from 1 to 6. So we have 6 numbers, 1 through 6, but we just don't know which is which. Each of the 5 lines shown passes through some of these points. The digits along each line are added to produce 5 sums, 1 for each line. And if you look at the lines, we have 2 horizontal, 2 vertical, and 1 diagonal. If we add the numbers up, and we have the sum for each line, so we have 5 sums. And all the 5 sums, the total is 47. And we want to find out what is B. What is B? And this one will need us to connect the graph to the numbers. Let me give you some time first. Now, to begin with, let's start from the information given to us. So we have 6 numbers, each one is 6 points, each one is a different number. And each of the 5 lines, if we add the add the points up, then we have a sum. Let's consider this horizontal one. So the sum for this horizontal line is B plus F. And the sum for this one at the bottom is going to be C plus D plus E. Right? That's the sum. That's the sum. What does it mean? The sum for the 2 lines. Now, if we consider the vertical lines, this one will be A plus F plus E for the vertical line. You just add them up. And for this one, it's going to be B plus D. Now, we have a diagonal line. And it has 3 points, A, B, and C. So, A plus B plus C. All right, that's the sum of the 5 lines. And we are told that the total is 47. Right? So that's a relationship. That's a relationship. And they ask us to find out B. And this could look quite confusing, like you have 6 variables. How could you solve for 6 variables? And here, actually, you don't have to solve for all 6 of them. We only need the B, and we can solve for B using the relationships. Now, to begin with, we'll set up an equation. Say we know all of them add up is 47, so let's just add them up. So we'll just B plus F plus C plus D plus E. Then plus A plus F plus E. I'm just copying them. Plus B plus D, and then plus A plus B plus C, okay? To add them up. And the total is 47. The total is 47. Now, when we add them, let's count how many A's do we have. We have 1, 2, right? That's 2 A's. So if we add them up, that's going to be 2A. How many B's do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, right? 3B. How many C do we have? 1, 2. 2 C's. How many D's do we have? 1, 2. How many E's do we have? 1 and 2. How many F's do we have? F and F, 2F. Right? So if we just do what the question tells us, we just add them up. And we have this many numbers adding up. 2A, 3B, 2C, 2D, 2E, 2F. And that's equal to 47. 47. Okay, if you observe the equation, that's a relationship that we find out. You will see A, C, D, E, F. We added them twice, right? We added them twice. we added B for 3 times. Well, you can tell from the graph that A is on 2 lines, F is on 2 lines, E is on 2 lines, so they are at 2 lines, and C is on 2 lines, so we add them twice, to A, to C, to D, to E, to F. But the B is on 3 lines, so we added B 3 times. All right, so far we have understand the situation and we have an equation in place, but still, how can we solve them? Now, there's a hidden relationship. Know that A, B, C, D, E, F, they are different digits 1 through 6. We don't know which is which. The A, B, C, D, E, F. They are 1 through 6, but we don't know which is which. However, even though we don't know which is which, but if we add them up, it's going to be the same as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, right? Because we know, one of them is 1, one of them is 2, one of them is 3, one of them is 4, one of them is 5, one of them is 6. So if we add them up, we can calculate, we can find out the value of that. This is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. So although we don't know which is 1, which is 2, but we know the sum of them is 21. The sum of them is 21. So we have two conditions, two information given to us. The sum of the 6 is 21, and the sum of this many numbers is 47. Now let's observe the difference between them. You have 2A, 2C, 2D, 2E, and 2F, and 3B. So actually, the bottom one has twice of this many. But you have one more B. Okay, B is counted twice. So if we do twice of this many, just double everything on the left side. You have 2A plus 2B plus 2C plus 2D plus 2E plus 2F. And that will give you, because we double the left side, we'll also double the right side. So that's going to be 42. We know twice of everything is 42. And if we compare this, you will see the difference between them is just 1B. Because here we have 2B, here we have 3B. So the bottom is just 1B more than the top. Or the 47 is 1B more than the 42, right? So the difference between the top and bottom is 1B, and that 1B is 5. The 1B is 5, right? And you can also tell that from the graph. So it's like, we are looking at the graph. We know if we add all of them once, that's going to be 21. And if we add all of them twice, that's going to give us 42. But now we are counting the B a third time, and then we get 47. So the third time when you count the B, it increased by 5. Therefore, B is 5. B is 5. We still don't know about A, C, D, E, F. But that's okay. We only need the B. And by doing the relationship, we can find out the B. So we solved the problem.